I think I got another ash over there. We're going to take the big stuff out. We're going to do some selective cutting here. Well, we're going to pull this tree out. What we'll do is we'll put the chokers on. Why we call them chokers is because this thing goes around the tree and it actually chokes the tree. I just actually took the tree and I brought it right to the bud so that it's off the ground. Over there. I'm going to sharpen my chainsaw. It's actually fairly sharp, but I'm just going to touch it up. These things here, they just nice to shine them up, and then things just work a lot easier. This is the sharpener that I use. It's a file. So what it's going to do, it's going to file this end here, and it's also going to bring this raker down. I think this is what they call a raker. This is actually one of the best ones that I've seen so far. I know I've got other ones built by Steel, but if you want to get your chainsaw sharp, like a brand new chain, I think use this. This is very good. And the guys at Steel that were selling me this, very knowledgeable. I am really impressed. So we're going to sharpen it up. There's even a design which way it should go. The chainsaw looks like this. I have it in a vise, so it's a little bit taller for me. Then I don't have to bend down. Just so much easier, nicer when things work properly. So I still want to cut a few more trees. I got some in my pasture that they're all by themselves and wind knocks them down and we'll never get any use out of them. So, well, that didn't take long at all. Wow, that's nice and sharp. I just wanted to show you here, this is what happens when you don't manage these things. Like these fell down, see, it had a big crack over it, and the only thing we can use this is for firewood. We're just going to cut this thing at 16 foot then we'll go get ourselves another one. Well, now that explains things. I can't make nothing out of this one. It's rotten. It's going for firewood. Well, well, well. We're gonna go up to the 2-foot mark here and see what's gonna happen, see if it's rotten there too. Looks like we got about a 12-footer here. It's not rotten. Wasn't rotten here, so we're good there. That's the log we're gonna take. That's what we got. You guys okay? Sometimes the decisions are just made for you. If it's rotten, can't make anything out of it. Well, I'm on my way right now with the logs. I got them on the trailer right now. And we're going to the sawmill. So this is my friend Stanley. He's got a sawmill and I believe he's 80 years old. So he's gonna take this round wood and he's gonna make some lumber out of it. He's got his friends here, upside down roots. So we're here at the sawmill right now. We have a bandsaw cutting this wood. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Yeah, 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 you do. So well, you guys settle down. I had the door open because the shop is a bit of a mess. I got a bunch of mud in here. We got to clean it up. Wanted to get the air in here. So what it is, I closed the door off for the dogs. I knew they were going to be with me. But also I didn't want the magpies to come in and start eating the dog food either. So they're good now. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take some of this lumber off this truck. What it is these are slabs that came off the side of the tree. These are bits and pieces here. You can see here is a slab. This was the outer part of the tree, like this is the outer part of the tree, and this was cut. So we're going to be using this for firewood. I kind of planned this out that I could stick my forks underneath here, and these are only just slabs, and underneath I have lumber. We'll try and see how that's going to work. We'll take the straps off, see if we can just pick them up with the forks there. Put these things in a different area. Oh, I have a feeling I know where this is going to be going. This is going to be, look at this. I have a feeling I know where this is going to go. I think my wife is going to make a craft out of this. Huh? Any ideas? Go with the fireplace. It was some 6x6s. I got them here. They're kind of buried a little bit here, so I'll take those out and we're going to put them on a trailer. Those are going to be our beams, and then we're going to put some. I don't know if we're going to. We just might put the 2x6s on there. And we're going to make a floor, and that floor is going to be our floor for our chicken coop, mobile chicken coop.